Greetings. This is the ancient one, little pre-Thanksgiving backyard basics for golf. So I have here, it's a cord. I think it shows up pretty well. I'm going to show you my ratcheting move. I've got a tent stake driven in the ground here, and I'm going to show you how this relates to the golf swing. Okay, that should get it. Okay, so I come back here, set this here, and put it under the stake. So now, this is how the body works with this ratcheting move. It's this move here. Bam! So I hope that lit some light bulbs. Epiphany. So he had a moment, and I had a great moment here with y'all. Love y'all. Take care. Happy Thanksgiving. Eat some turkey for me.